Good morning, YouTube. How are you guys doing? It's midterm break today, and I am stuck with these children. So, we have a lot of things planned today. The first thing is I'll go to the warehouse, get my warehouse work sorted, come back by 12, take them to the upbeat center. They have so much energy, and I have to make them use that energy. It has to be used. So, they have online classes for an hour or so, and they're going to be with their nanny till we come back. That is going to work as well. And then when we come back by 12, we've all planned everything. We're going to take them to the upbeat center. But I did sleep. It's 7:45. I had a very good night rest. Like, you guys have no idea. I slept for I think 8 hours plus. First time in a while. So feeling very happy and very pumped for the day. You guys, we'll show you how the day goes, and I'm off to make breakfast, and yeah, see you all. Okay, so we're about to step up. We're just trying to apply some makeup. Makeup for me is what's it called? Just this. Just some lipstick.
I want some.
Okay, baby. I can't have lipstick because you're a boy. Huh?
I know. I hate lipstick.
So you guys,
I don't like lip balm.
we're set. Let me see your outfit, boo. Turn around. Ooh, baby girl. Chacha, let me see your outfit. You guys got me dirty.
Yama, yama, yama.
And so we're going to jump. So I came back, changed into my. Me and Daddy are doing and cool. Come and show yourself now. Daddy is wearing the same pants as well. You guys, we're wearing sunscreen so that we don't go and get bugs.
I'm getting dark.
Also, me, I'm getting
Can you
dark.
imagine? She's fairer than me. No. I used to be called yellow.
Why would anybody call you yellow?
In college. And now I'm black.
Gotta hustle, baby. Anyways, you guys, see you.
Bye. We'll
Bye.
call you guys when we're at the place.
You call who? Checking out my new plans.
Finally.
The application time. Rub it on your face, not on your leg.
Everything?
Yes.
Everything on our face? Some on your hand.
For me, quick stop at the showroom. So, quick stop at the showroom. Quick stop. Before we go anywhere, we have to sell small markets. Some people came and they wanted to see.
I remember this book.
You know, right? So this is the showroom. One of our showrooms. Had to show you guys daddy real quick. Ooh, my baby's looking good. You guys, so this place, we really had fun. Like, we played and played and played. Right now, both of us, both parents are suffering from severe back pain because we did push ourselves to the limit. You see this foam pit? We went up there twice. We played dodgeball, we did basketball, we did every single game in here. You guys, I'm currently doing a voice note at 9 p.m. at night, just thinking about my life and how I got this stiff. I used to be able to play this much without having backache, but alas, here I am with my back hanging for its dear life. Anyways, Eliana did not give up. She kept going until she was able to put that ball in there. And as soon as she was able to put that ball in that hole, in that basket, that was the end of it. She was going and going and going, and then she was so excited. She told everybody, I made 10 baskets. I put it there 10 times. But yeah, this is what every child should experience, really, because they really played. They did. See my Pekin. Just imagine this boy. Flinging himself. Like, I was actually scared at some point. I don't know what entered my brain, and I told them I wanted to race with them on the trampoline. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, I really don't know. I think there's something inside of every one of us that just makes us do very stupid things, because I almost broke my back, like literally destroyed my waist. You guys, this fall was heavy. I'm just thanking God that I was on a trampoline. I would have lost my entire teeth because it was so painful. I stood up like nothing happened and continued running. I was thinking that, man, I would stop at some point, but no, we didn't stop. Look at this Agbaya people. Even my husband fell so many times. And now he's complaining of a backache. Like, he's right beside me right now as I'm doing this voiceover, telling me to massage his back. He was busy carrying Eliana up this obstacle thing, and she had to jump 10 feet from above into the foam. The last one she did, she was really complaining that her muscle pulled, and then she started crying. Man, outside of this place is really relaxing. You get to see the lagoon, and you get to visit the restaurant there. But we didn't go to that restaurant. We came to Frisia Foodies. This is my friend's restaurant. It's at Lekki Phase 1. If you are in Lekki 1 and you want to experience amazing Nigerian food, come to her restaurant. That's her right there. She's an amazing person, and she's so gorgeous in real life. Actually, my first time meeting her in person, but we've been Instagram buddies, and I'm so proud of her. Like, this restaurant is really clean and affordable. Do you know what I mean? This right here was 1,000 naira. When last did you eat 1,000 naira food in Lagos and you were full? I had a fada, I had a bula, that's my amala, and the wedding, my children had jollof. Everything was affordable, clean, delicious, authentic African flavors. You guys, that's it for tonight, okay? Just come back home. It's 8:25 p.m. The children slept off on our way back. It's a good 14-minute drive back home because of the traffic. But I had so much fun. My back is killing me right now. I don't want to show you how big my belly is, but I'm stuffed, I'm full, and I'm happy that we're able to, have some fun with the children. We'll get a nice shower right now. And that's our vlog for today. See you guys. Dirty mirror cam. Alright guys, see you later.